In a separate development, lawyers for the NPP Ashanti Regional Chairman are yet to file their written submissions to aid the court in delivering judgment in the case against their client. After assuming counsel for Chairman Wontumi following the withdrawal of Antwi Boasiako, Samuel Atachia, at the last adjourned date, pleaded with the court for the judgment which was scheduled for July 6 to be deferred. Chairman Wontumi has been charged with assigning mineral rights without approval from the lands minister and facilitating unlicensed mining operation at Samreboi in the Western region. Lord Adwasari is our court affairs correspondent who joins us live on the line. Lord, what other details can you share with us?
All right, Beatrice, so like you indicated, Samuel Atachia, you'd recall that following the withdrawal of Antwi Boasiako as legal counsel for Chairman Wontumi, he pleaded with the court for deferment in the judgment, and then the date for the judgment in the Samreboi case, I should add, was deferred to July 20th. Now, part of the directions of the court was that Samuel Atachia filed the written submissions on or before 13th of July, which is today. Now, our checks from the court registry, and essentially the court clerk indicates that he's, as of now, yet to file this document or this submission. And so, for more indications, the judgment will still proceed on July 20th as scheduled. But one thing we also need to add to is that because the day has not ended yet, it is possible that he will file this written submission before the day ends. We are also thinking that, for example, Atachia is working on processes to have Dennis Miracles Abuaje, the former Baumia campaign manager, who is in Yoko custody, filed a bill for him, and so that's probably a number of things for which reason Samuel Atachia hasn't been able to file those written submissions for his new client, Chairman Wontumi, and so we are still gathering around to see when he will file this case. Then also there were other cases here in court had to do with the former deputy director of the National Service Authority, Gift Owari. Now, the prosecution's second witness, an accountant, a former accountant, I should say, with the authority was cross-examined by lawyers for Gift Owari, and they sought to they put before the witness an Auditor General's report from 2018 to December 2024, for which he had been cited in, and they wanted him to make certain determinations in that regard. All that has been going on. And as I speak to you, this was another case concerning the former Men's Group CEO, Namwan Nanapia Mesa, in court. He was supposed to have filed his documentation, including his witness statements, but as of the time that I was in court, Dad was not very pleased because he hadn't filed the document that he was supposed to have filed, and his lawyers indicated that they had only filed it this morning, and so they were supposed to go to the registry to make sure that they serve the Attorney General's office, among other things. And so this is what we have by way of updating for this morning, Beatrice.